Hello there and welcome to another one of these 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes this morning, a couple of students were sharing what seems to be a very modern complaint. The complete lack of a work-life balance, where basically it's all work and no life. I guess a lot of people have this kind of feeling, but my students were saying that over the last few months they've been working flat out. It's been relentless, and basically there's been no let-up at any point. If you say there's been no let-up, you mean there's been no break, there's been no pause, there's been no end to the intensity of work. It's often used in negative sentences where you say there's been no or there hasn't been any let-up. And it's used to talk about things that we wish there would be a break in, things that are causing us problems. So you might say, for example, there's no sign of any let-up in the economic recession. Maybe if you're in an area that's under attack at the moment, like Kherson, for example, in Ukraine, when I'm chatting to friends there, they'll often tell me, yeah, we're just being shelled 24/7. We're being shelled non-stop. There never seems to be any let-up to it. It's relentless. And maybe, excuse me, you might have fighting in a particular area or violence in a particular area, and it just goes on and on and on. There's no let-up to it. It's also used as a phrasal verb without the hyphen. So you might hear things like, it's been raining the entire weekend. It hasn't let up even once. And maybe you have to go and see the doctor because you've had this pain in your back that just hasn't let up for weeks on end. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use no let up.